Hi guys! So for today's video, oh my god, eto na ang grand reveal. Grand reveal nung room makeover na ginawa.
Flashback.
Na ang, well, grand reveal. Grand reveal nung room makeover na ginawa ko. If you remember, I posted a video of a room tour, pero that was like the before because bala ko nga mag-redecorate ng room. First is yung room kung saan kami natutulog ng family ko, ng baby ko, and my husband. And then the other room was a spare room na ginawa naming home office. But I'm not gonna show you that today. That's for a different video. So for today, eto na ang aming kwarto. So guys, I have in mind, gagawin ko to parang vlog style because I don't want to get in the way of your view. So here is our room. Meron na kaming mat, welcome mat, kasi bawal na ang chinelas papasok sa loob ng kwarto. Bawal ng shoes and whatnot. And are you ready? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, so dito muna tayo sa parang sala area. So over here, I just got us a parang towel rack. Kasi my God, before kung saan lang namin sinasabit yung towel namin. So now we have a towel rack. And then over here is just a parang, this is actually a plant rack. Oh my God, that's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be here. Naglaro na naman siguro. Naglaro na naman yung baby ko dyan. So this is a plant rack. Pero ginawa ko siyang parang, alam mo, naglagay ka mo ng mga rattan baskets para maging parang storage, and we just have books here. And oh my God, you guys, over here, this is my favorite part of the room. Ito ang aming chest of drawers. So 6 yan. Over here are my mom's clothes. Itong dalawa kay Elise, and this one is mine. So meron na kaming patungan ng TV, meron pa kaming like a chest of drawers for our things. So pinilitan ko na yung cortina. It's blackout white and then sheer sa gitna. Same goes for this part. Okay, so moving on over here. Hi! Kung natatandaan nyo, ito yung mirror na nakapatong doon sa used to be my drawer of makeup. So nilagay ko na sa dyan for, you know, aesthetic purposes. And then over here, meron lang akong pampas, dried pampas. And then nakalagay lang siya sa old school, tawag dyan, Johnny Walker Red Label bottle. That's really huge. So, ayan. And then I got this idea kay Christine, the Real Asian Beauty. Kasi meron din siyang parang chest of drawers and then may katabing ganito, and I really liked it. I fell in love with what it looked like. So, I got one for myself as well. So, thank you kay Christine for sharing with me kung saan niya nakuha yung pampas. And then, oh my God, guys, meron kaming plant sa loob. Ayan, so meron kaming plant. That's alive, you guys. And that's kind of new. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng lalagyan niya and like the plate under it. Kasi wala pa akong time para like to look for some. And I'm not really sure anong size niyan. Nitong ano na to, kasi it's pretty big. So, ayoko nang bumili na online. I want to see it for myself. Okay, so, window. And then, I got us a booty rag. Ayan. Para naman meron parang, alam mo yun, hindi plain dito. And eto, if you remember, ito yung patungan ng TV namin dati. Andito na siya sa gitna, and then I just got some, these are fake plants. These are fake plants. Hindi ako pwedeng maglagay ng real plants there kasi my baby plays here. So kahit anong ilalagay mo dyan, my God, sisirain niya ng bonggang-bongga. Okay, so, over here pala, that's just a basket kung saan nakalagay lahat ng wires, extension and everything. And over here, that's our mosquito, anong tawag doon? Killer light channeling cambot. And then you guys, over here, so babili ako ng new covers for the sofa bed. And then we got 3 throw pillows lang. And this one, that's the beloved kumot of my husband. Kasi you guys, pag hindi na siya nakahanap ng space dun sa bed doon, dito na siya natutulog. So, meron siyang kumot. And then, over here, eto yung, dati nandyan yun, di ba? Ngayon, nandito na siya. And then, yung drawers na pinaglalagyan ko ng makeup ko, ginawa kong parang lalagyan ng mga gamit ng baby ko. So, andito yung sterilizer, and then the water dispenser, yung milk niya. And then, over here, ayan, I just got her like a small box. May mga toys na dyan. And then, you got, guys, eto, nakatago talaga yung lamp na yan kasi meron yung magandang effect at night. So, binubuksan namin yun sa gabi. I'm just gonna insert a clip of what it looks like at night, itong area na to, with the lamp on. Alright? Oh, by the way, over here sa area na to, ayan, naglagay lang ako ng parang frames, black frames with like, I don't know what you call that design. Digital print lang yan para hindi like, you know, plain boring. And oh my god, you guys! Meron na kaming orasan. Diba? So, hindi na rin parang plain blank dyan. So, yeah, that's basically what the sala looks like. And then, moving over to my baby's area. Okay, so umpisahan natin sa side na to. Meron lang siya parang dream catcher dyan. And then, nagpalit na lang ng cobre cama. But to be honest, you guys, that's like pangatlong cobre cama na napalit. So, sobrang tagal kong mag-refill, napalitan na siya ng pangatlong cobre cama. And then, ayun lang yung mga pillows niya. And arrange ko lang ng ganyan para lang mukha siyang, you know, neat. Pero on a daily basis, that's like all over here sa sides. Kasi yung baby ko, mahilig sa unan, mahilig siyang magtatatalon. So, alam mo yun, kailangan medyo protected yung side na yan. So, ayan. Yan ang kanyang parang pillow fortress. And then, ayan na yung kanyang crib. Nalinis ko na, inayos ko na, pinilitan ko ng cover. So, minsan, kapag you know, kailangan ko mag-CR or ng lola niya, kailangan mag-CR. So, ilalagay muna siya dyan para hindi siya like patakbo-takbo kung saan-saan. So, dyan siya maglalaro. And then, over here, yung bed ni mommy. Ay, ayan pala. So, kumuha lang ako ng parang 3 paintings. And then, pinilitan ko yung cover. And then, meron na si mama dito na parang, this is a metal rack, which is super duper sikat all over Shopee and Lazada. So, dyan lang yung nilalagay yung mga stuff niya. Minsan may mga gamit dyan, may mga books dyan, pero niligpit ni mommy for the sake of me vlogging the entire room. And then over here, ayan, this is a lamp that I got from Lazada. Ayan, kasi minsan si mommy kailangan magbasa pag, alam mo yun, tulog na si Elise or tulog na kami. So, pwede niyong buksan yan without actually opening this light. So, hindi kami, alam mo yun, masisilaw and everything. And then, this is an ottoman storage that I got from Lazada. Kang umupo dyan. Pagkaya ka niya. So, eto pala. Bumili ako ng, ang tawag dito, Himalayan salt lamp for my mom. But aside from the benefits of the Himalayan salt lamp, I got that kasi ang ganda ng effect niya sa room at night. Again, I'm gonna show a clip of what it looks like. Yung parang lighting setup sa gabi. But yeah, basically, that's the room. Alright guys, so the room tour is done. The makeover is done. So this may not be like, you know, the best like room makeover you've seen on YouTube, but I'm pretty happy with what I was able to come up with, what I was able to change. Basta importante is malinis, maaliwalas, and we have like storage, you know, that's the most important thing, storage. And yeah, I'm pretty much happy with it. So who knows, maybe next year I might do another room makeover, but for now, Eto na yun. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the room makeover, the room tour, and abangan nyo yung home office tour that's gonna be up in, hindi ko kasi yung office tour ko, ang tagal-tagal. Oo, ang tagal i-repair nung husband ko. So, when that's done, I'm ready to film the home office, and you're gonna love it. Yun talaga, super duper extreme makeover. We did a lot of changes, like crazy, stressful changes, but that's gonna be super fun. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button, please, para alam mo pag nag-upload ako ng video. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.